Introducing the 2024 Seat Tarraco 2.0TDI 150HP DS, a sleek and powerful estate Jeep in classic black. Packed with top-notch features like Bluetooth phone, satellite navigation, and lane departure warning. This vehicle is designed for comfort, convenience, and safety. With ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking, you can trust in its security features. Stylish touches like privacy glass, spoiler, and sunroof add to its appeal. And with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer servicing, and comprehensive warranty, you can drive with peace of mind. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line SUV. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information today. Drive away in luxury and style with the 2024 Seat Tarraco 2 TDI 150HP DS.